Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and the Moose is pretty pumped today and also loose as usual. What we're going to do right now is go over the MELD code. So this is going to be the MELD access code. Free just did a banger of a video. I've yet to check it out, but I will here very soon. So if you haven't already, subscribe to DApp Central. So if I go to my email, check your inboxes, and to create your wallet now, which we've already done, what you're going to do is go to meldapp.com. So if you have to restore your wallet, go to, I've read the terms, go to restore. And what you can do if you can't remember anything, go to other login and you can import your seed phrase. So always remember to back up your seed phrase. So right now I'm just going to put in my passcode. So we got the Crypto Moose password, and I should have my Trezor connected as well. All right, and I have done some activity. So if you are trying to get that big airdrop, I recommend just at least doing the upgrade. You'll see it on the bottom right. We have tons of videos on the channel, so I'll definitely get that ready and going for you guys as well. If I pop that up, you can see under videos here on the channel, type in MELD. And I've got the maximizing MELD airdrop. I've got a simple guide. We also have tons of other videos on MELD, how to set up wallets. So if you are unsure about that, we've got tutorials for you. And furthermore, if you want to learn about cryptos and NFTs, we've got a free Cardano course. You get downloadable footage. So you can watch it on the go and you get a workbook. So back to the video. We're going to go to get it now. For those of you that did sign up, this is how you claim it. So we're doing this all in real time. So pay $1 in any supported token and get 100 MELD. This is obviously worth it. So what we're going to do is, should we use MELD or ADA? What do you guys think? Let's use ADA. Why not? So 3 ADA plus fee. So it's going to be $1 in fees here. Let's confirm and pay and get 100 MELD. Welcome bonus. So we just confirmed it. Perfect. This must have been with just what I had in my wallet already. So I did have 7.8 ADA. It's probably taken from there. So I do have my NAMI connected with my Trezor. So I did not sign a Trezor transaction. As you can see in my history, that was a day ago. So it's probably going to come from here, I assume. Yeah, I guess we'll just wait a little bit and I will cut and give you guys a quick update. All right, so this took about 30 seconds. It did not take long at all. If we go to our ADA Cardano, we go to activity, you can see our transaction history right here. And if we go down here, we've got our GMELD. So we've got our 100 GMELD, and it worked perfectly. And I think this is pretty awesome. So we've got our GMELD, and that's right here in our account. So if we go to activity, you can see that on July 17, 2023, which was at 17:51, just happened a couple minutes ago, this is our GMELD that we got. So definitely really cool. If you check out this video on how to maximize your airdrop potential, what you're doing is creating a lot of activity, and MELD recognizes this. So what you can do to maximize your airdrops is convert MELD on different exchanges. This is the access code. This has nothing to do with the big MELD airdrop. So for that, what you want to do is create as much activity as possible. Check out this video. We will have it in the link in the description below. It is the Maximize Your MELD video, and I talk about it for 15-16 minutes. So with that being said, we also have this free Cardano course. If you want to learn about Cardano, how to set up wallet, sending, receiving, staking, yield farming, that course is built for you. And then if you haven't already, pick up a Trezor Model T. It's the best hardware wallet in my opinion. I've got a link in the description below for you as well. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below what you liked about the video and what else you would like to see in the future. Have a good day. We'll see you all in the next one.